Diacro 150 or number 6 style bender. Some tooling with it too. Can show that later. Here's the cab 1 control. Let's get the tag on that. It's 480 volts. That's our leads right there. There's the back of the machine. Let's look into the hydraulics. There's your controlling, directional. There's the interior and your hydraulic setup. Alright. Got some 3/8 inch rod here that did an S hook on. We did a shepherd's hook just now. So I think we'll duplicate the shepherd's hook on the other end. We can run a series. I think we got programmed in 45, 90, and 180. Or 178, just shy of 180. Let's run it through the dry bends right now, just to show the swing arm, and then we'll do the actual bending. Okay. .45. Let's go to 90. .78. Alright, let's put that rod in and do some bending. Did you want to move that over to with the other clamp? Is it going to bite where it needs to? The back clamp?
Hopefully, might pull past.
Okay. Looks like you got enough out there. Yeah, it pulled just past it. No big deal. Hey, let's do this before you turn it. Yeah, let's get it right there. All right. Hang on. All right, we should be good. There you go. Just what you wanted to bend. Sheet metal's all clean. Clamping surface is good. And there's that box of tooling over on the... I'm gonna walk you through our shop. You need a grinder? Here's the tooling that's with it too. Terrific.